Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hajimemashite, and my name is Hillary. So today I actually have a very fun video. I'm going to let my favorite Animal Crossing New Horizons villager pick my makeup for today, and I'm going to try to copy what they've got going on and just see how this all goes. So I do actually have a couple favorites on my island at the moment. I think one of my top favorites is Shob. He's just like the cutest and I love him so much. The lazies are like the best, but maybe a tie, maybe a close second is Pietro. Pietro is my favorite clown boy. He's just like always there to like make me smile, make me laugh. He loves languages just like I do, and you know, everyone can appreciate a good clown here and there. So I'm going to actually try to make myself look like Pietro today. So I have a reference picture of my boy here, and I'm not going to be able to replicate quite his whole face because as you can see, he's like all white and I don't have any white cream body paints to do that with, and white eyeshadows are not really pigmented enough to show up on my skin. I will try to be recreating just about everything else that we see on him. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So I have this lip pencil that I'm basically gonna use it like a regular pencil and start sketching out everything. So first I'm just gonna try to get his basic face shape. Okay, so I know that this looks like a complete mess right now, but that's just how it's gonna have to be. All these basic shapes are drawn in now. And one thing that I want to do is I want to kind of cover everything that I know, like the nose, the teardrop, and all out here with concealer because they're all supposed to be very bright colors. And I think just laying down eyeshadow might not work. Actually, I might just prime instead of use concealer. Yeah, I like that idea better. So I'm just gonna prime all the spots that I know are gonna be a very bright color. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Yeah, this is just the part of the video where I remind you to hit that like button if you are enjoying this, and to press that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. So thank you so much. And now I'm going to get into coloring this. I think I'm just going to use the James Charles palette and just for now lay in the basic colors that this is going to be. So I'll do that. So this top part is like a pinky red. So I'm just going to mix the red and this hot pink to try to get that color and fill that in. So this is also the color of all of Pietro's head. So I really want to make sure that I'm blending back into the hair so that it looks like it's going back and it's not just kind of like it stops randomly. Okay, and while I have pretty much red on this brush, I want to go ahead and fill in his nose. And to really try to create the illusion that this is 3D, I'm going to mix in just the tiniest bit of black with this red and kind of shade like if this was an actual like circle. And now continuing with the nose, he's got this little white circle, and I'm gonna fill that in with the white eyeshadow. Okay, now moving on, I want to fill in this hood next, and I'm going to do that by mixing these two pink shades. Okay, moving right along, I want to get his little teardrop, and it's actually like the color of it is kind of like a cyan color, but I don't actually have that color in a matte. But what I do have, sorry, this palette is very broken. I kind of have these like a couple of these blue shimmer shades. So what I'm going to do is kind of mix those to get a color that I think is closest to it, and then fill it in. And plus, you know, I think it's kind of cool. He's got like a shiny glitter tear going down his face. So I'm gonna do that right now. So next I want to fill in this stripe, which is actually like a neon green, but I don't actually have that. What I do have is this neon yellow from the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and this limey green from the James Charles palette. So I actually want to try to mix them to try to get a color that I think closely matches that color, and go from there. So next we're supposed to have that same cyan color as the tear, but I don't really want to have like two things of shimmer in this. So what I'm actually going to try to do is to mix this bright blue and the white together to try to get a color that I like. So I'm just going to do that. Next color we've got is a purple, so I'm just gonna take the purple right here and use that. So lastly, the color we've got down here is yellow, so I'm just gonna be taking this yellow from the James Charles palette and using that. Okay, so there's just a couple more things I want to do before I finish up this look, and one of those is to take my concealer and kind of like touch up, like you can still see the liquid lip, the lip pencil in some places. So I really just wanted to go back with concealer and cover that up and make sure that you can't see it. And also Pietro, right under this red, he's got this like pink line. So I'm going to also be using a pink liquid eyeliner to be creating that. So I'm just gonna do those real quick. So I just quickly applied some more mascara, but this look is not quite done yet because of course Pietro has those big luscious red lips that I'm going to try to recreate. And my idea for this, like obviously I'm not trying to look exactly like Pietro because Pietro's got like those, like his eyes are just like black ovals and his mouth is huge. So I was kind of tuning it into like if I was Pietro. So what I wanted to do is just kind of like really overline my lips and give it like a red lipstick. So I'm just gonna do that right now. that's literally exactly why I never overline my lips, because it doesn't look like I have bigger lips. It just looks like I overline my lips. So maybe there's just something that I'm missing, but that did not work out how I wanted it to. But yeah, this is what we have. I actually I really like it. I wasn't like, I didn't really know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm really actually kind of happy with it. I think what I could have done better was maybe if I had cream paints instead of eyeshadow, because you can see like this is like pretty patchy because I had to mix a lot of the colors, and it's hard to like keep coming back and getting the same color that you had before. So I think cream paints might have been better for that, but like I said, I don't have any, so I was just working with what I had. Let me know what your favorite Animal Crossing villager is. Like I said, mine are like Pietro, Shob, Tangy's on my island now, which I really love. And yeah, if you do this, please tag me on Instagram. There's a link in the description to my Instagram. You can go follow too. I'll be uploading pictures of this look on the same day that this video comes out. And leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.